Hi everyone, Laith Wallace here and welcome to Wallace TV, where you can improve your life through creative advice. And on this channel I share advice, tools and motivation to help you become a better designer. And today I want to walk you through the ultimate Figma design template that I've created to really help you start your projects with ease and with confidence, with a clear structure to really help you going forward. So what this template actually allows you to do is you've got a clear thumbnail here. When you click on the thumbnail, you've got multiple options here that you can use to change the cover when necessary. I'm going to be updating this thumbnail soon so that you can change it per platform. So I was speaking to multiple designers who have said, you know what, I need like a mobile icon or a CTV icon for connected devices. So those are the types of things, or for workshops. So I'm going to be updating this as well as I keep sharing it and updating it based upon your feedback. So this thumbnail is going to be great for you to be able to quickly switch it out. You can add your collaborators in here. Just press T on your keyboard, come in here, change the title. You can also come in here as well, click on the actual status indicator, click on this drop down, and you can switch the actual status of the projects as well. This is going to be super handy for you as you work on this. In the overview section, I've actually created some pages here that you can just have a quick heading, a quick snapshot overview of the project, key points around the project that you want people to pay attention to, and just a quick about the project, what the project name is, and a quick description to showcase the details. And I've got a quick screenshot of some work that I did, but you can just quickly delete this screenshot and add some screenshots in that are relevant to this as well, add any pages where necessary. I've got the competitor analysis page, so this is where you'll drop in some pages from some competitors that you're looking at that you may be inspired by. In the research section, this is now where you're going to add in some research that you've done. Here you can see from a project that I did some years ago how I used the research section, where I've basically used it to drop in some workshop documents from competitors, flowcharts. Here I've basically got a whole research summary from some research that I did. So this is how you can use the research section to be able to outline all of the steps of your research. In the wireframe section, you can see here, you could just drop a description box, frame title, but go in on research. You can see here how I've used it in this project as well, which just has what key wireframes specifically, headings for each artboard or frame, I should say, that I'm working on. And you can just have that here. You've got your UI exploration. So as you begin to start putting your designs down, your designs together, you can see over here how that can come out and put together all your designs that you're working on, any feedback that needs to be recorded. You can also date the feedback. So I've put a little date section here to remember to date your feedback as well. Once you've actually gone through the exploration piece, you've got the handover section here. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video so far. Click that like button and just let me know if you really want me to keep creating content like this. And if you can, just drop a comment below. Let me know what you like the most about this Figma template and what you would do in your templates to make them even more efficient. Drop a comment below so I can make some improvements step by step. All right, enough of me. Let's get back to the video. Once you've actually gone through the exploration piece, you've got the handover section here. So this really allows you as a designer, you can have actually pages based upon platforms. So you can have like a mobile page where you lay out all the mobile designs or the web designs that are necessary for your developers. You can date it if necessary, double click it, go back, delete it if it's not necessary for you. So this is specific for any nuances that you might want to lay out in individual pages, or I've found in my experience laying out all of the deliverables in one page can sometimes feel overwhelming depending upon the developer or how you've laid out the page. So this is why I have like your description box, frame title, and then you lay out all your designs as frames within that page as well. In the component section, as you can see, what I've done here in this file is basically laid out all of the components that are relevant. I even go as far as giving a purpose and a style kind of breakdown for those components as well. You can use a similar process if you want, but here is where you just lay out all of the components that make sense for that specific project that you're working on. And so here, that's actually laid out for you. They're ready to go. In the playground section, I've also added presentation files. So this is like if you needed to do a case study, if you might need to do a user research study, breakdown of what you've done, or like, so this is really just to give you some basic pages to build from, and using Figma. Basically, when you come into Figma, click on prototype, click on flow starting point. So this is your first starting point, and then just connect your pages together once you've started to build it all up And this is really a great tool for you to use, because what this does is just allows you to really start to put together a flow. So then now you can double click here, rename your flow, like case study here, boom, click on the play button. And now what this allows you to do, once you've connected that all up, you've now got your presentation ready to go for you to use. All right, so this is just a great little addition to the document. I found that in my experience speaking to designers who really wanted to have some kind of template to start from, you can actually just come in here every time you open this file, just click duplicate, double click, rename the file, and then start working on the project that you're about to start. Like I said, you've got your prototype section and then archive. These are just additional pages that you can use as well. So yeah, guys, this is the ultimate Figma design template. I've basically put this together for you. And this will really, really help you to, you know, have a clear starting point going forward. If you'd love to know where to get your copy from, just look down in the description box below and you'll see a link to this Figma template that will be in the description box below. It will take you to this Teachable account where you just sign up, and then you'll be able to go in. You can even watch the training. I've got a free training here of how to become a designer without an expensive degree. This is for beginner designers. If you're a beginner designer, that free training is for you. But if you're a more senior designer and you really just want a key template to springboard off from, then just come here, click on this Figma template, download this, click on the file here, file link here, and it will open up your Figma account. And then you can come in and then you can use this specific file as you need. Just duplicate it for yourself and use it as you need as well. So this will be great for you. I'm going to basically make it accessible now so everyone can access it, but just duplicate it, use it as you see fit, because this is going to be great for you to use. But thank you so much for the time today. Thank you for being here. And just, if you'd love to know more, just click the link in the description box below, like I said. And like I said, please look after yourself and look after your families. And remember, today is a good day. So go forward, be a great designer, and subscribe at the bell, subscribe below, because I'd love you to know about any new free resources I'm going to be creating soon. Take care. Goodbye.